What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, LuvNailsNicole, and today I am back to put this together. I recently shared this with you guys in one of my my haul. I'm pretty sure I shared it in one of my Dollar Tree hauls and also in the walk down the polish aisle with me Dollar Tree video where I showed this in the video as well. And I haven't had a chance to put it together, but now I do. So the thing I wanted to see is, yes, it says pencil and brush organizer, and as you can see, it's like for art, paint type of tools and color pencils and drawing type pencils. So I wanted to know if it will fit our, like the dotting tools, maybe our nail art brushes, our acrylic brushes, all that type of stuff. So I'm going to put it together. It has 49 holes. I'm hoping I have enough. I think I have enough brushes. I might not have enough to fill it, to be honest, but I know that I got a couple in here, so let's try this out. I was actually thinking, I think the holes may be too small. I wish I could fit all of these in it. That would be awesome. See if I can fit my little rhinestone wax pencil in there. I think that's all I got in here. I really need to organize this so badly. Oh, here's some more. I think oh no, I don't like those. Alright. Okay, so let's open this up, put it together, and let's see what will fit in it. I'm hoping that it fits everything nicely, and I have to make some room on my table for it, but I'm pretty sure it's super small. I mean, you can tell the package, so yeah. Dusty. Okay. I feel like it should have 4 of these, but and it does not tell you how to put it together. So from the picture, I'm gonna go by the picture. So all the open holes go at the top, and then this part is the base. Okay, I see the little groove. So you'll get a stick here, here, and here. And let's see, I wonder if okay, it looks like on the picture, the wider part of the stick is at the bottom, the skinniest part is at the top. This part is facing outward. Oh yeah, here's a little notch. Alright, so just stick it down in there. Oh, it fits great. Nice and snug. Here's the other notch. Where? Okay. Looking in the camera instead of down at it. Alright, because see how this top part is much skinnier? So these little notches fit in it. Right. Yeah, it's nice and tight, so it's really good. Okay. Okay, so same with this. So the notches will go in each of these slots. And it does not, oh wait, that's weird. Because see how these the 2 little notches here is where this part should go, I think. Because if it goes, this is like totally the wrong way. But it fits. Oh, okay. Alright. So the notches do go inward. It just fits down in there this way. But nice and tight. Nice and snug. Still got room to push it down. Okay, okay. It's very cute. Nice little size. Yeah. You know what? I think those markers will fit. Because I went to Dollar Tree today, you guys, and most of the stuff I shared with y'all in that last video, none left. None. Just the Maybelline polish. So it fits in there. Just it doesn't stick up, though. The little nail art markers. Okay. So I'm assuming these are probably going to be too short. This one I bought from the Craft Out Dollar Tree. So fits in there a bit. Try this one. Alright, let's open up my thingy. Oh, I do have a couple here. Alright. So I have these cleanup brushes that I'm gonna put in this way. So it's just not very tall. Like these are, ooh, if I put them there, they don't even fit. Let's see. This one is just fitting. I could probably put two. Oh, because most of my brushes, this is my Aegis little holder pack, see? So I was gonna put these in there, but they're all about the same size. I wonder if I keep it with the lid on it. Yeah, so I may have to do that. But I just don't want them to be exposed. Let's see. I need some new brushes badly. Some new nail art brushes so bad. And cleanup brushes, I need them badly. I've been looking through Amazon and like What's Up Nails and stuff like that. I have a couple ones I want to get. I just haven't had a chance to grab any yet. If you guys have any ideas on good brushes, please leave it in the comments and let me know. I'm going to stick this in here too, my little cleanup cuticle stick I use for stuff. These are definitely going to be too short. Let's see, my acrylic nail brushes on the outside. These I probably won't even use anymore, but I'm going to keep them around for now. This one has this stand-up thingy on it, so I wonder if I can go under. Yeah. It won't fit down in the hole, but it fits. I have this silicone thingy. Put this here. Another cleanup brush. Put that next to the other cleanup brushes. Put that there for now. Get in there. Okay. This is probably super short. Yep, that's not going to work. Here's another cuticle stick. I have this. I think this is a gel brush. I'm not sure. But I use it for a cleanup brush. Born Pretty. So put that. I'm just throwing them in there anywhere for right now. These I've never even opened these. These are from, I think, Born Pretty as well. Did these come off? No. You can see it still has things on them. So I'll put all of these in here. I mean, you can fit more than one in the hole, you know, so much space. And that's it, basically. I've got my little rhinestone pencils. Whoops. Okay. Trying to see if I have any more brushes laying around that would fit. No. Now, I do have some new brushes, you guys, that I ordered from Amazon. I got some new acrylic brushes. I'm not sure how well they work. I'm hoping they work pretty good, but I'll be testing them out soon. This one is Model 1's. I can't remember the exact price, but it was under, I'm going to say it was about $8 or $9. And I just got it like 2 days ago. So you see it says Model 1's. It's a number 12 Kolinsky brush, and it's so super cute because it has the floating glitter in it. See the glitter moving? So I thought it was really pretty. It's like it's stars in there and little circles, and diamond shapes, gold and silvers. So pretty. And I ordered these both separately, and they both look alike. These two are Kolinsky Sable Nail Brush. And you know how Amazon does like those flash sales? The acrylic brush of theirs was on a flash sale for $6. I want to say it was regular 10 or 11 bucks. And they look super similar, right? But they're two different brands. This one is Harmonious, I'm gonna say. So I ordered a number 8 from them. This one I said was what? A number 12 from Model 1's. This is a number 8. And I don't know if you guys can see, it has like the same little glitters inside of it, movable glitters as well. And for a bonus, they sent a nail art brush. Detail, looks like a detailing, like for stripes and stuff. You guys can see size of the bristle. Yeah. And this one's also really, oh, it says drawing pen 9mm, so I'm assuming 9mm. And this is the name of the shop. So cute. So this is something I'm working on, getting all new brushes. Like, I'm hoping to replace everything you see here except for this one, and this one, because these three I don't think I've ever used. I know for sure I haven't used that. I don't think I've used these two. This one just messed up on its own in the pack. These I've never used, so I would keep, you know, my fairly new ones, but like all of my acrylic brushes, and I just need to stock up on mainly nail art brushes, you guys. Check out my Amazon wish list. I leave the links to it in my description box so you guys can see some of the items that I find and like, and things that I order I add to my wish list. So if I ever share anything from here, you guys can go right to my wish list if you guys want to pick it up, and I usually will have it there. Go ahead and stick these ones in here. So I was hoping to get my dotting tools in it, but they're just going to be so, they can go in it, they're just so short. You guys can see them. Too close. Oh my gosh. How do I get it back? Okay. Alright, so yep, that's it, you guys. The little Crafters Square Pencil Brush Organizer from Dollar Tree. If you guys were thinking about picking it up to put your brushes in, I still say go for it, because it's still a place to put your brushes, you know, giving you more room for things. I'm going to find somewhere on my nail table to kind of keep it at. Not too bad. I like it. If I don't end up keeping my brushes in here, I think I'm going to put those nail art markers in it. But for now, I will keep them in here. So yeah, and it's very sturdy, y'all. Very sturdy. And then you know what I'm thinking? You can even decorate like these, the outsides and around here. Something cute. Put something cute here. You know, make it look a little bit more nice. I'm going to take it down so you guys can see like how it looks from the side. Alright, so yeah. This is it from the side. So it's very small. It has the here's the measurements right here. So that's the measurements for it. I'll put it next to my little organizer drawer thingy so you can see it's shorter than that. It's small enough just to fit perfectly on your table, and like I said, it's very sturdy. See, I can pick it up and it's not like slipping apart or coming loose. It's very nice and sturdy. So all in all, I'll give it a thumbs up. It was just looking so messy the way that I did it, but this is what it looks like with just everything on the outside of the first ring. So it looks a lot better this way. This is just so super tall, but yeah, it looks better this way. It's just a little bit more neater and more room to fit things in the middle. I hope you guys enjoyed that little opening unboxing, whatever you want to call it, and my new brushes that I got. They're so super cute. I love them. If I didn't add these to my list yet, I'll try to remember after this video to add them in my list. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm on the road to 1K, y'all. I'm almost there, thanks to you guys and all my new subbies I just got recently a couple days ago. So I'm almost to 1K, y'all. Almost. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.